Hello and welcome to the pre-use check video. If you like content like this, then please like and subscribe. I'm here next to Declan and he's going to show me around this vehicle.
So Sid, let me take you around the pre-use checks. We call them the walk-around checks because that's what you're going to do. You're going to walk around the vehicle. First thing you're going to do is start the vehicle. Look for any warning lights that might come up to tell you there's any defects on the engine. Because obviously not going to take it out for that. That sounds great. No warning lights.
Yep.
I'm now going to turn the headlights on and the hazard lights on. And the reason for that is, so as we walk around, we can check the lights are working.
Gotcha.
Just here is where you fill up your windscreen washers.
That's not a place to put it, isn't it?
Well, they put them in all different places. The idea is to find it before you go. Have a quick look at our levels while we're here. Again, they all open differently. This one, just give it a yank and it should come out. There you go. That goes in there. Just check your water levels up to the maximum.
Yep.
And check that your fuel level, all your other levels are in the right place.
Yep.
Okay. Just put that back down. Make sure it's secure. Don't want that coming open while you're going along.
No.
And we're not going to go there yet. We're going to check the vehicle. So top to bottom. And we're looking for scratches or any marks, because if there's any scratches or marks when you come back, it's on you. If they're already there, they're not going to believe you. So
yeah, makes sense.
Make sure, yeah, exactly. So make sure if there's any there, you've reported it before you've left the yard. I mean, there's scratches there as well as you. You can either tell them, or take a photo on your phone.
Yep.
It'll prove, because it'll have the time on the photograph. Check your mirrors are solid. Check that your safety mirror's clean.
Yep.
And you can see down in front of you.
Yep.
That's very important, especially when you're at traffic lights and places like that.
Nice.
Make sure everything's solid, nothing's moving. Again, another safety mirror.
Yep.
Make sure that's clean. Now you start looking at your tyres. Make sure they're over 1 millimetre in depth. Make sure that your wheel nuts are all tight.
Yep.
Nothing loose, nothing's going to fall off.
How about bodywork?
Bodywork, top to bottom again. Any defects you might spot, take a picture. If you think it's a really serious defect, report it. Especially if it's going to affect the running of the vehicle. If you look there, there's a scratch there.
Yeah.
All sorts of stuff like that will be on you if you haven't reported it or got a picture of it.
Nice.
Cover yourself. Make sure that the running bar's at the side here.
Yes.
Okay, because these are to stop people falling underneath the vehicle. Air tanks aren't loose. Batteries all done up. Everything's safe.
Yep.
It's all safety. Running lights down the side, all working. Again, check your tyres. You're looking for any kind of defects, any kind of marks, digs, anything like that.
Bulges, that
Bulges,
sort of thing, yeah.
Any bulges in the side. Always, you know, you're going to do this in dark sun, always carry a torch with you, because it's going to, early mornings can be very dark. But again, top of the bottom of the vehicle, make sure tail lift, make sure the lock's in place.
Yep. How about mud flaps? Is that quite important?
Make sure that, the mud flaps are on. If they're not on, you're going to get nicked for that.
Okay.
Okay, so just make sure it's a safety check. All your lights are working. Number plate light, hazard lights, indicator lights. Okay, same thing. Come round, check your other tyres. Again, looking up and down the vehicle all the time you're going round. Running lights are working. That's all nice and solid. These can get loose.
Oh, the wheel arches.
Yeah, make sure they're solid. Again, everything. Just safety, safety, safety as you're going around all the time. Looking up and down the vehicle. Add blue.
Yep.
Okay, your add blue will mix with your diesel at the exit of the exhaust pipe to stop the emissions going into the air. Help people breathe a lot better. Okay, and again, check all your mirrors. Just making sure everything's fine.
And what's the minimum requirement for a search to be like this if it's thorough?
Right, the minimum requirement would be 10 minutes. Most companies will ask you to do 15 minutes.
Okay.
A lot of companies now have an app where you have a checklist as you go around and you tick each box, and that downloads into their office now. So they know you've checked the vehicle.
Okay.
Okay, but 10 minutes is the absolute minimum.
Nice.
And if you get pulled up on the road and you haven't done 10 minutes, you put your card in, gone straight out onto the road, you're going to get done for that. Big time, because they'll know that you haven't checked your vehicle before you took it out. And it's important, it's safe.
Yeah, no,
Covers
absolutely,
yourself.
yeah, especially a big vehicle like this.
I mean, don't forget to check the windscreen for any little cracks, because if there's a little crack, that can spread. Don't take it out. Unless you're 100% happy, do not take that out on the road.
Understood.
Okay. You happy with that?
Yeah, very happy. Cheers for that.
That's no problem at all.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Any comments or questions, leave them down below.